Welcome back, guys. It's the guy that's having fun here, and today I'm going to be making this 3D printed spinner. Let's go. Okay, guys. So these are the prints right off the printer. Well, this one's right off the printer. Just pops right off, and that one's good to go. But this one, I had to use my Dremel here. I accidentally turned it on a little bit. Just the sand wheel, and I just went like that to clear room for the bearings. So these are the 3 outside bearings. Now those aren't clean because they don't really need to spin. They're just there as an extra weight. You could use something like washers, but I just am using bearings. And then I have one clean one for the center, and for a longer time. So you just pop them right in, and these ones, they don't really spin for very long. Like like an 1/8 of the time the other one does. So you pop them all in. Here we go. So there we go, they're all in now. And all you do is pop this in, and you're good to go. These toys are really fun if you're a person that likes to fidget like me. You just sit and do this, and it gives you hours of entertainment. You just go like this. Whee. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.